Hello guys, I need to welcome you into this tutorial. Today we are going to learn something very simple and interesting. So there is this video here, you're seeing how it is playing. This is just a background video, and when you come here there is a cell phone here, and then there's a video also inside the cell phone. So this is what we are going to do. But now let's get started. I'm going to delete this one out and then we start afresh and we see how to do it. Now here I have a cell phone, which is this one. Let me drag it and drop it here. So I have a cell phone. You can see it's actually a phone without the background, if you can see. And then I have this video here. This is the video we are going to use actually inside the cell phone. And the first thing you have to do, you bring this cell phone, this cell phone outside here, and then you make it in the same line with the video actually, and then you see where it looks good for you. Now for me, I am going to take this part here, so I will cut this part and then I'll take it out, and then I'll bring this one here. So yeah, this is how we are going to do it. Now the only thing we are going to do now, we need to make sure we adjust these cell phones to cover up at least some space, and then I'll come to scale here. I'll add up the size of the cell phone. Yeah, if you can see, the size is increasing. Yeah, there. Now we are done with this part. Now we need to adjust where exactly we need it to appear, in which part of the video we need it to appear inside the what? Inside the cell phone. So how to adjust it? We have the position, and then we have the what? You can move the cell phone like this to whichever place you wanted it to be. Now for the first things, we are going to make sure we adjust the video. You come and click on it, and then you come to the effect controls. That's where you make sure you adjust the video very well to cover the cell phone. Let's do it. I will adjust the video and bring it this side to cover up this position here, and then I'll reduce the size of the what? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, like this. Sorry, something like this. Yeah. I think this one will be interesting. Now when you play the video, you will see this is how it will be. Yeah, this is how it will be. Now for us to make sure the video should appear also only inside the what? Inside the cell phone here. This is how we are going to do it. You come to opacity, and then from opacity you come to the what? To the free draw what? Bezier. You come and click on it, and then you click on the cell phone. This way, when you click on it, it shows that the part inside the cell phone only should appear. You click here, and then you come and click. Make sure you click outside the phone. So you click here, you come and click here, and then you click also here at this point. Now you have seen the background, whatever the video outside the part of the cell phones now has disappeared. Now we have something like this. If you are to see, we have something like this inside the what? Inside the cell phone. We have something like this. Yeah, we have something like this. Now what is remaining, we need to make sure we nest it. Now you say okay. Now from here, this is already nested, and then you can see what is going on here. Now this is exactly what we're supposed to know for or in this video. Now for you to do other things, is what's remaining. Now you can even bring a background. You can come to new item, color matte. You say it okay, and you choose the color. But this one I'll put some yellow color. I'll pick this one and I click on okay. Yeah, then you drag this one here. You bring this one outside here. Yeah, this, something like this, you can see. So this is how it is actually. So just something like that. You can also play around with this one, because since it has been nested, this phone here with a video inside it, you can play around with it. You can play around with it. You can set it, maybe you can give it some effects. Let me try to give it this effects here. Let me do this, and then I come to the end here. I click on this place, and then I come here. I give it from here. Let me give it the width of 0. Then I come here. Then I give it the width of 100 as it was. Now let me ease it in for it to appear very well. Something like this. Now you see, this is something nice. So this is actually what I wanted us to do at this video, and you can see how good it is. Thank you so much. Please try to subscribe and try to promote this channel, whereby you can be also able to learn from it. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.